compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP will fill ya, huh? Will be feel. Goil, good energy. Yeah, yeah.
She's coming. She's coming.
Oh, it's in. Right now, receive now. Boss, let's go back.
Okay, here. Take this.
She's coming.
I know. Go to the pharmacy now.
She's coming. Oh. She's here.
Pay faster, pay safer, and pay easy with Momo app. Download now and pay with the QR code, merchant ID, and so much more.
Ow.
Let me see.
She's never had a toothache before.
There might be a cavity. Don't you use Pepsodent?
We used to, but I'll try the new one.
Ah, that's why.
But doesn't every toothpaste give cavity protection?
Not really. Pepsodent's Cavity Fighter repairs tiny invisible holes to give 10 times stronger teeth. Will you trust Pepsodent?
Definitely.
Pepsodent. 10 times stronger teeth.
Use Pepsodent's Cavity Fighter.
You know the now. You are living the now. You feel secure in the now. But what about tomorrow?
Grandpa, chase me.
What happens when you can no longer do the things you love? What happens to your loved ones when you are no longer here? Get Mikakrawa from Prudential Life now and protect your future and that of your loved ones. With as little as 3 Ghana cedis, Mikakrawa covers you in case of death, total and permanent disability, or critical illness.
Saga, Abraboy, Uncle Tabu, a dead and Danny, the plan of that 45 city, intimate dying. No sweet Miss Eberborn that. 5 years here, Nadal, star 778 ash. Oh, I'm telling you this year. Come with this year. Come with this year.
Make a drama.
Increasing over its domain, or it is decreasing over its domain. Selenium.
True.
You're right. With the same preamble.
Hey, Charlie School is brilliant. My son will attend the school at all cost. Hey, let me call Adwa. What? I shock safe. Adwa, listen. Our son will attend the school at all costs.
Send money home.
Listen, I'm sending some more money for him, okay? Right. Oh, right now. May try to pieces here. Yeah, okay, right.
Fast and easy. Show me to pay. My boy. Help you make the most of your money. Needs, send fire to pay. Show me to pay.
Jupe Money Transfer. Send money home to family and loved ones from the US and Canada. Download the Jupe app, send money with your school code, and your school gets $20 on your first transaction for any school project of their choice. For your school code and for more information, visit www.jupe.co. Download the app to join the Jupe train. Jupe Money Transfer. Meet a need. Send via Jupe.
We are pleased to introduce you to our 3D Science application. 3D Science is an innovative science application designed to revolutionize the teaching of STEM, particularly biology, physics, and chemistry in the classroom. The application works offline, requires no internet after initial download, and is very affordable. We encourage school from basic level to tertiary and parents to engage us on how to benefit from the 3D Science application. The application is suitable for GES syllabus, Cambridge, and the American Common Core. For more info, contact Knowledge Resort on call or WhatsApp.
Ghana to the rest of the world, taking you to many exciting destinations around the world. Our trained experts perfect every journey. We search for what's special. We find out what truly matters. We take your experience to another level and make you feel special. Fresh starts, new destinations, carefully selected hotels, and hand-picked attractions. We have touched millions of lives with our world-class service and warm African hospitality. When others see restrictions, we see opportunity. Visas are no longer barriers. We don't see clients, we see family. We are global. We will continue to grow, to challenge and drive change and creativity in the tourism industry. Our dancer travels, feel life's beauty.
Accra College of Medicine is the leading private medical college in the country, seeking to train doctors who are committed to excellence and have the heart power. With the state-of-the-art facilities, small class size, and an amazing faculty, we help our students learn better.
My dream of becoming a medical doctor is now a reality because at ACM, I am offered the best learning experience.
We are accredited by the National Accreditation Board and the Medical and Dental Council. ACM is affiliated to the University of Ghana with mentorship from the University of Ghana Medical School.
For those who want to pursue medicine, our doors are wide open. Accra College of Medicine is the place to be.
Visit www.acm.edu.gh to apply now. Accra College of Medicine, producing the next generation of health professionals.
At Academic City, we are not just students. We are problem solvers, innovators, and future-ready leaders. We power the future and create groundbreaking technologies ready to tackle real-world challenges head-on. In a world driven by technology, we shape the digital landscape, transforming challenges into opportunities. At the core of strategic thinking and decision-making, we thrive in the dynamic realm of commerce. We evolve into leaders who not only speak, but stand for what's right, forging narratives and stirring the conscience of the world. Embark on a journey with us, where innovation meets education. Academic City, educating future-ready leaders.
Welcome to the preliminary stage of the 2025 National Championship of the National Science and Math Quiz. Competing in this contest are PRESBY Senior High School, SUHUM, ABOMOSU, STEM, SHS. ABOMUSU. Oh, okay. ABOMUSU, STEM, SHS. Methodist Senior High Technical School, BEREKUM. Let's meet the contestants. PRESBY Senior High SUHUM is represented by
Papu Shepherd.
Sorry?
Papu Shepherd. Ni adute.
Now you are talking. Yes. And
don't call Owusu Bless.
Yes, your name. So you have to say all of us, all the names, so that we will know who you are. So, Shepherd, say your name again.
Papu Shepherd Ni adute.
Yes, your father wants to hear that. You are welcome. Shepherd and Bless. So, PRESBY Senior High School, SUHUM, you were with us last year. You advanced from the preliminary stage and you went to the 1/8 stage. What should we expect from you this year?
Expect nothing but the very best of us.
Very best, I expect from you too. ABOMUSU STEM SHS is represented by
Agri Gift.
And
Jebi Handspegger.
Jebi
Handspegger.
Handspegger. Wow. Where are you from?
No, Ahafo.
Ahafo. And the name, that's what I'm asking. Nice name. Okay. Jebi Hansberg and Gift, you are welcome. So, this is your first time with us. Oh, nice, nice. You are welcome.
Thank you.
As a first timer, what are your expectations?
The grace of the Lord has brought us this far, and we hope that He will take us through by His grace.
Okay, amen. Methodist Senior High Technical School, BEREKUM, is represented by
Tochobo Timothy
and
Jeffrey Samuel.
Okay, Timothy and Samuel, you are also welcome. So, you are not first timers. You were with us last year. Oh, last year you were not with us as well, but you are here. That's the good thing. So, what should we expect from Methodist Senior High Technical?
You should expect the best from us.
I will expect the best from you. All right. So the National Science and Math Quiz is proudly sponsored by the Ghana Education Service in partnership with GOL PLC and supported by Momo from MTN, Joy News, Pepsodent, Prudential Life Insurance, Jupe Money Transfer, Truster AI, Adenta, Adansi Travels, Rowan Air, Kivo Gary, Spin City Laundromat, Coronation Insurance, Secure Sanitary Pad, Accra College of Medicine, Academic City University College, Bell Beverages, Flora Tissue, Imago from Hashcom, GTP, and YFM. I am Dr. Anita Opon, your quiz mistress, and this is a prime time production. Contestants, we have 5 rounds, and we start from round 1. In this round, questions are to each school. You have 10 seconds or 30 seconds within which to provide an answer. 30 seconds if the question involves calculation. It's your major question, so take your time in delivering of your answer. It should be concise, it should be straight to the point, okay, so that I can understand you clearly and award the appropriate marks for your answer. Is that okay? All right. If the answer you give is correct, the school may end up to a maximum point of 3. If it's incorrect, I may pass the question on for a bonus, and the first out of the 2 schools to ring the bell will have the opportunity to answer for 1 point if it's correct, but a deduction of 1 point if it is incorrect. Please, if I have not ruled on the answer, do not ring the bell. Wait for my verdict, then you can press the bell. I'll call you to answer. With that, we start round 1, and it's with the preamble. So you have displacement A giving us 2I minus 3j centimeters, and displacement B giving us negative 2I plus j in centimeters. Did you get the displacement? I'll give it again. Displacement A giving us 2I minus 3j, all in centimeters. Displacement B giving us negative 2I plus j, all in centimeters. Find the net displacement given by Presby Senior High, SUHUM. A minus 3B.
So you have it to be 8I minus 6G, all in centimeters.
That is correct. ABOMUSU STEM SHS. 2B minus A. Yes, Gift.
Negative 6I plus 5G, all this in centimeters.
That is correct. Methodist SHTS BEREKUM 2A plus B.
I minus 5J, all in centimeters.
Yes, that's correct. We have another preamble. Give one way in which xylem vessels are adapted to their function. So when I get to the school, just one way in which xylem vessels are adapted to their function. Presby Senior High SUHUM.
Okay, so they have track kits for effective transport of water. That is, they have track kits that helps or enhances the flow or transport of water in the plant.
No. ABOMUSU stem.
Xylem vessels have dead walls.
Dead. Okay.
Cells which enable them to conduct water through capillarity. They also possess thin diameter walls to conduct water efficiently throughout the plant stem.
Say the second part again.
They have a small diameter to conduct water throughout.
Is that what you said?
Yes, ma'am.
Small diameter. Yeah. I didn't hear small diameter. Well, anyway, that's why I asked you to repeat. So, please go on.
To conduct water throughout the plant stem and other parts.
Okay. I'll take it. Yes, Methodist.
Xylems have vessel elements which has its wall lignified to enable a transport of water through the xylem tissues.
2 out of 3. Okay, so they are lignified, which BEREKUM you mentioned, but I said adapted to its function. Okay, so lignified to prevent collapsing when they are transporting the water. Okay. Then narrow to facilitate capillary action. You mentioned that's ABOMUSU stem. You mentioned the capillary. Then you came to mention the diameter. I had to try and put them together. But since you mentioned what I'm looking for, I gave the 3 marks. Then no cross wall for continuous flow or column of water. You mentioned tracheids for effective transport of water. I don't have that. And then they have bordered pits for lateral movement of water. Those are the answers I have. Right. Another preamble. Find B and C such that the quadratic inequality is a preamble. The quadratic inequality x squared plus bx plus c less than 0 has the given solution set. Find B and C such that the quadratic inequality x squared plus bx plus c less than 0 has the given solution set. SUHUM Presby. X is such that -5 less than x less than -1. Yes, Shepherd.
So B is positive 6 and C is positive 5.
That's correct. ABOMUSU STEM. X is such that 3 less than X less than 5. Yes.
And C is equal to 15.
Yes, that's correct. BEREKUM method is SHTS. X is such that negative 3 less than X less than 7. Yes, Samuel.
B is negative 4 and C is negative 21.
Yes, that is correct. Preamble. Give the solubility product expression for the given sparingly soluble salt in aqueous solution. Give the solubility product expression for the given sparingly soluble salt in aqueous solution. SUHUM PRESBY SHS. Magnesium phosphate. Yes.
So we have the KSP expression to be equal to concentration of magnesium 2 plus raised to the power 3 multiplying concentration of PO4 3 minus raised to the power 2.
That is correct. ABOMUSU STEM, aluminium sulfate. Yes, gift.
We have the KSP to be equal to concentration of Al3 plus raised to the power 2 multiplying the concentration of SO42 minus raised to the power 3.
That is correct. BEREKUM method is iron 3 carbonate. Yes, Samuel.
Concentration of KSP equals the concentration of Fe3 plus raised to an exponent of 2 over CO3 2 minus raised to an exponent of 3.
Incorrect. Yes, ABOMUSU STEM.
We have the KSP to be equal to the concentration of Fe3 plus raised to the power 2 multiplying the concentration of CO3 2 minus raised to the power 3.
Yes. BEREKUM method is, you said over, so that means it's divided. Another preamble. Find the equivalent capacitance of a pair of series capacitors with the given capacitance. Find the equivalent capacitance of a pair of series capacitors with the given capacitance. PRESBY Senior High SUHUM, 5.00 nanofarad and 15.0 nanofarad.
.75 nanofarad.
That is correct. ABOMUSU STEM. 12 microfarad and 18 microfarad. Yes, gift.
7.2 microfarad.
That is correct. BEREKUM Methodist SHTS. 8 millifarad and 24 millifarad. Yes, Timothy.
We have 6.0 millifarad.
Incorrect. Yes, Suhum PRESBY for a bonus.
6 millifarad.
Yes. Significant figures. Always significant. Another preamble. Classify the following hormones under protein hormone, steroid hormone, or amino acid derivative hormone. Classify the following hormones under protein hormone, steroid hormone, or amino acid derivative hormone. Okay, Suhum PRESBY, glucagon. Yes, bless.
Amino acid derivative.
Incorrect. Yes.
Protein derivative.
Protein. Yes. Your major question. Glucocorticoids.
We have amino acid derivatives.
Suhum for a bonus. Suhum PRESBY for a bonus.
Steroid hormones.
Steroid. BEREKUM Methodist. Insulin. Samuel.
Steroid hormone.
Incorrect. ABOMUSU stem.
Amino acid.
No. It's protein. It's a protein hormone. All right. Please, another preamble. Express the given vector in a bearing form. Express the given vector in a bearing form. Suhum PRESBY Senior High. A equals root 3I plus J. So the root 3I is on its own, then plus J.
We have it to be 2,060 degrees.
Yes. ABOMUSU stem. B equals negative root 3I plus J.
We have
Yes, gift.
2, 2,300 degrees.
You gave me two answers. Suhum PRESBY for a bonus.
2,120 degrees.
No. So it's 2,300 degrees. BEREKUM Methodist. C equals root 3I minus J. Yes, Samuel. Go on, I can hear you.
2,150 degrees.
Incorrect. For a bonus. Okay, so it's 120 degrees. The last set of questions for round 1. SUHUM Presby Senior High, a 25.4 grams alloy contains copper. Containing copper is heated to form 15.9 grams copper 2 oxide. What percentage of copper is in the alloy? Molar mass of copper is 63.5 grams.
So we have it to be 3. Positive.
For a bonus. Okay. 50.0%. ABOMUSU stem, a 68.5 gram ore sample containing barium is treated and produces 23.3 grams barium sulfate. What percentage of barium is present in the ore? Barium molecular weight is given as 137.
%68.5%.
Incorrect. For a bonus. All right. 20.0%. BEREKUM Methodist. A 12.5 gram sample containing chloride is dissolved and treated with silver nitrate solution, producing 28.7 grams of silver chloride. What percentage of chloride is in the sample? Samuel.
40.0%.
Incorrect. Okay. So that one is 56.8%, and that ends round 1.
Brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP will fill ya, huh? Ubefin. Goyle. Good energy. Ja, ya, dia.
She's coming. She's coming.
Oh, it's in.
Red out receipt now.
Boss, let's go back. Okay, here. Take this.
She's coming.
I know. Go to the pharmacy now.
She's coming. Oh. She's here.
Pay faster, pay safer, and pay easy with Momo app. Download now and pay with the QR code, merchant ID, and so much more.
Let me see. She's never had a toothache before. There might be a cavity. Don't you use Pepsodent?
We used to, but I'll try the new one.
Ah, that's why.
But doesn't every toothpaste give cavity protection?
Not really. Pepsodent's Cavity Fighter repairs tiny invisible holes to give 10 times stronger teeth. Will you trust Pepsodent? Definitely.
Pepsodent, 10 times stronger teeth.
Use Pepsodent's Cavity Fighter.
You know the now. You are living the now. You feel secure in the now. But what about tomorrow?
Let's go and play. Grandpa, chase me.
What happens when you can no longer do the things you love? What happens to your loved ones when you are no longer here? Get Mikakrawa from Prudential Life now and protect your future and that of your loved ones with as little as...
At the end of round 1, Methodist Senior High Technical School, BEREKUM, 8 points. ABOMOSU STEM SHS, 16 points. PRESBY Senior High School, SUHUM, 16 points. We move to round 2, the speed race round. Hopefully we can break the tie. This is the Truster AI speed race, where the questions are to all the schools simultaneously. The first school to attempt by ringing their bell will get the opportunity to answer for 3 points if they give a correct answer. The second school that attempts and gives a correct answer, 2 points. The third school that attempts to give a correct answer, 1 point. But all incorrect answers, a deduction of 1 point. Also remember our 3 seconds rule. Once you ring your bell, please give your answer. Do not dilly-dally. That's not when you're going to confer. Finish the conferring before you ring your bell. Okay? Or you hear this bell. That bell, I move on to the next school that rings the bell. Okay. So, the speed race round is sponsored by Truster AI, your real world experience. Speed race question number 1. 10 seconds. What is the role of nitrogen fixing bacteria? Soon, Presby.
They fix atmospheric nitrogen into the soil for them to be converted to nitrates and nitrites, which are useful for plants.
Yes, yes. 10 seconds. What name is given to the lower narrow end of the female uterus? ABOMUSU stem?
The vagina.
No. BEREKUM Presby, did you ring your bell? To whom? Okay.
The cervix.
Cervix is correct. I was going to say you've not studied the female part before, but you answered, so. Next. 10 seconds. What is the term for species that are native to a particular area and not found elsewhere? Have you heard of endemic? Endemic. Okay. Right. So you learn something new every day. 30 seconds. A sample contains 1.71 grams of aluminium sulfate. How many sulfur atoms are present? SUHUM Presby.
So we have it to be 1.20 by 10 raised to an exponent of positive 22 atoms.
No. Okay. I have 9.03 times 10 to the power 21 atoms. 30 seconds. Calculate the mass of 0.25 moles of butanone. Yes. Presby Senior.
Positive 18 grams.
Yes. So please, there's no need to add positive. Okay. Just straight to the point. Next, 30 seconds. Identify the nuclear particle released when beryllium-9 reacts with an alpha particle to produce carbon-12. Presby SHS SUHUM.
The species has a mass number of...
No. Yes, ABOMUSU stem.
Neutron.
Neutron. Yes, 30 seconds. Find the greatest height attained by a projectile launched at 20 meters. Yes, ABOMOSU stem.
20 meters.
No. Presby SUHUM.
10 meters.
No. Who else rang? Oh. Methodist Senior High Technical, BEREKUM. I didn't finish reading it. Launched at 20 meters per second in a direction that makes 30 degrees with the vertical. 15 meters. 30 seconds. A side of a square plate measures 5 centimeters. Find the pressure exerted on the plate by a 50 Newton force. Yes, SUHUM Presby.
2 by 10 to the power 4 Pascal.
Yes. "30 seconds. Find the mass of an alloy whose specific latent heat of fusion is 400 kilojoule per kilogram. That is just melted by 160 kilojoule. Yes, Methodist SHTS.
4 kilogram.
No. Who rang? ABOMUSU
0.4 kilogram.
Yes, 0.4 kilograms. And that, yes, 30 seconds. 30 seconds. The next one. Find the equation of the normal to the curve y equals 3x squared minus 7x plus 5 at the point on the curve at which x equals 1. Yes, SUHUM Presby.
We have the equation to be 7y is equal to negative 6x plus 6.
You were bailed out. The answer is y equals x. Next, in the beginning I told you, just go straight to the point. 30 seconds, anyway, it was wrong. But your next answer, please, straight to the point. So you don't get bailed out. All of you. Is that okay? 30 seconds. A and B are mutually exclusive events in a sample space S. Find the value of x, given that probability of A equals x, probability of B equals 2x, probability of A union B equals 3 over. Yes, ABOMUSU STEM.
We have the value of x to be 1 on 4.
BEREKUM Methodist.
X is 1.
No. Oh, you ring. Oh, yes. 3 over 4. Yes. Shepherd.
1 over 4.
1 over 4. I just told you, go straight to the point. Oh, last question for round 2. 30 seconds. Find the coordinate of the point P, given as xy, whose image is 5, 4, under the linear transformation T, given as xy, mapping onto 2x plus y, x minus y. SUHUM Presby.
3, negative 1.
Yes, that is correct. That ends round 2. See? Simple. That ends round 2.
Good energy brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP will feel ya, huh? Will be feel. Goil, good energy. Yeah.
She's coming. She's coming.
Oh, it's in.
Radar received out.
Boss, let's go back.
Here, take this.
She's coming.
I know. Go to the pharmacy now.
She's coming. Oh. She's here.
Pay faster, pay safer, and pay easy with Momo app. Download now and pay with the QR code, merchant ID, and so much more.
Let me see.
She's never had a toothache before.
There might be a cavity. Don't you use Pepsodent?
We used to, but I'll try the new one.
That's why.
But doesn't every toothpaste give cavity protection?
Not really. Pepsodent's Cavity Fighter repairs tiny invisible holes to give 10 times stronger teeth. Will you trust Pepsodent?
Definitely. Pepsodent, 10 times stronger teeth.
Use Pepsodent's Cavity Fighter.
You know the now. You are living the now. You feel secure in the now. But what about tomorrow?
Grandpa, chase me.
What happens when you can no longer do the things you love? What happens to your loved ones when you are no longer here? Get Mikakrawa from Prudential Life now and protect your future and that of your loved ones. With as little as 3 Ghana cedis, Mikakrawa covers you in case of death, total and permanent disability, or critical illness.
Saga, Abraboy, Uncle Tabu, a dead and Danny, the plan of Dutch, 45 city, intimate Tordine, no sweet Miss ever bought Dutch. 5 weeks this year, Nadal, star 778 ash. Oh, I'm telling you this year. Come with this year, down this year. Make up flower.
At the end of round 2, Methodist Senior High Technical School, BEREKUM, 5 points. ABOMUSU STEM SHS, 17 points. PRESBY Senior High School, SUHUM, 27 points. Round 3, the problem of the day. In this one, we have the Prudential Life Insurance NSMQ star. The NSMQ star is rewarded to a school that is able to earn a perfect score of 10 for the problem of the day. If you get 10 out of 10, the team gets 2,000 cedis, 500 cedis to each of the 3 contestants and then a teacher. So the problem of the day, we have one kind of like a complex question, and contestants, you have 4 minutes to provide answers to the question. After the 4 minutes, I will grade your solutions, go through what the consultant has given. Then, I will award the marks. Please, do you understand? Okay. The NSMQ star is sponsored by Prudential Life Insurance Ghana for every life, for every future. Please go to the whiteboards on your screen. All right, now face the audience. Wave for them to see you are not holding a pen. They are not holding anything. Okay, now pick up the problem of the day. As I read through the problem of the day. So they've been given a diagram. And the diagram shows a setup that is used to demonstrate fermentation. Says that glucose solution was boiled and oil added on top of it. The glucose solution was then allowed to cool and yeast suspension added. 1. What was the main reason for boiling the glucose solution before adding the yeast suspension? 2. What was the importance of cooling the glucose solution before adding the yeast suspension? 3. What is the use of the oil in the experiment? 4. What observations will be made in the test tube containing lime water at the end of the experiment? And 5. Suggest a control for this experiment. Your problem of the day, you have 4 minutes. Please write clearly. All right, so we have the solutions from our contestants. Let's go through the solution from our consultant. So they were given a diagram, and it was a setup that is used to demonstrate fermentation. So glucose solution was boiled and oil added on top of it. The glucose solution was allowed to cool and yeast suspension added. 1. What was the main reason for boiling the glucose solution before adding the yeast suspension? It is to get rid of air or oxygen. Okay. Then 2, what was the importance of cooling the glucose solution before adding the yeast suspension? That is to avoid killing the yeast cells or denaturing enzymes in the yeast. So if you got the first one, 2 points. If you second number 2, 2 points. Then 3, what was the use of the oil in the experiment? This is to prevent air from getting into the yeast and glucose mixture. Or this is to make the mixture airtight. And that is 2 marks. Then we have what observations will be used in the test tube containing lime water at the end of the experiment. So the lime water will turn milky, or there will be a white precipitate. If you write this 2 marks, then suggest a control for this experiment. That is, you can either use boiled yeast, kill the yeast, or you can have the setup glucose without the yeast, or have the yeast without the glucose as the controlled experiment. Okay. Now the solutions from our contestants. Presby Senior High School provided correct answer only for number 3. That was the use of the oil. That is to prevent air from coming in. So that's all they got, 2 out of 10. Then for Methodist Senior High Technical School, they provided correct answers for question 2. That is to avoid killing the yeast and then prevent air from getting into the experiment. That's question number 3. So they get 4 out of 10. ABOMOSU gave correct answer for 3, 4, 5. They wrote removal of the oil layer. Yes, removing it will interfere with the experiment. But for a control, I'll give 1 instead of the 2 points. I'll give them 1 point for that. And so they get 5 out of 10. So that ends round 3.
Energy brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP. Wufilia. Huh? Wubefi. Goil, good energy. Yeah.
She's coming. She's coming.
Oh, it's in.
At the end of round 3, Methodist Senior High Technical School, BEREKUM, 9 points. ABOMUSU STEM Senior High School, 22 points. PRESBY Senior High School, SUHUM, 29 points. We move to round 4, the true or false round. In this round, statements are to, before we start round 4, substitution for SUHUM PRESBY SHS. We have Emmanuel Bentum coming in for Papo Shepherd. Emmanuel, you are welcome. Okay. All right. So the Jupe true or false round, where statements go to each school, you have 10 seconds within which to let me know whether that statement I made is true or false. Correct answer, 2 points. Incorrect answer, deduction of 1 point. So that you don't guess. So you may choose not to answer. For that, I'll pass that statement on, and the first out of the other two schools to ring their bell will be given the opportunity to answer. If they give a correct answer, 2 points. An incorrect answer, deduction of 1 point. Okay? Right. So during this NSMQ season, if any alumni sends money to Ghana and they use their school's exclusive promo code, JUPE will reward the school with $20 for each transaction for developmental projects in the school. The true or false round is proudly sponsored by JUPE Money Transfer. Meet a need, send via JUPE. We start with round 4 with a preamble. A, B, X, Y are real numbers. A, B, X, Y are real numbers. If A raised to the power X equals B raised to the power Y, then A equals B and X equals Y. For SUHUM Presby, sorry, that was your statement.
True.
No. ABOMUSU stem, if A equals B, sorry, A raised to the power B equals A raised to the power C, then AB equals AC.
True.
Yes. Methodist SHTS, if X raised to the power A equals Y raised to the power A, then AX equals AY.
False.
It's a true statement. Another preamble. A rigid body undergoes translational motion. A rigid body undergoes translational motion. Presby Senior High SUHUM, the distance between 2 points in the body does not change as the body moves.
False.
It's a true statement. ABOMOSU STEM SHS, the position of the center of mass of the body does not change as the body moves.
True.
It's a false statement. Methodist SHTS, the angle between two lines connecting a body in the body, connecting a point, let me stick that again. The angle between two lines connecting a point in the body and two other points in the body does not change as the body moves. Yes, it's true. Presby Senior High SUHUM, when the upper side, that is the adasial side of the petiole of a leaf, grows faster than the lower side, which is the basal side, the leaf curves upwards.
False.
Yes, that's false. ABOMUSU stem, in etiolated dicot seedlings, the shoot apex is usually bent like a hook.
False.
It's a true statement. Methodist SHTS, ethylene enhances senescence of leaves and flowers in plants.
True.
Yes, that's true. SUHUM Presby, in propene, each carbon is sp2 hybridized.
False.
False. ABOMUSU stem, the central boron atom in boron trifluoride is sp2 hybridized.
True.
It's true. Methodist SHTS, the central atom in carbon dioxide is sp2 hybridized. No, it's a false statement. It's sp hybridized. Okay. A preamble. If the sum of interior angles of a polygon is, if the sum of the interior angles of a polygon is, SUHUM PRESBY, equal to the sum of its exterior angles, then it is a quadrilateral.
True.
Yes, that's true. ABOMUSU stem, 7 straight angles, then it is an octagon.
False.
It's false. Methodist SHTS, 8 straight angles, then it is a decagon.
False.
It's a true statement. SUHUM PRESBY, the potential difference across the terminals of a lead acid battery equals the EMF of the battery. Emmanuel?
False.
False. ABOMUSU stem, the EMF of a lead acid battery is always less than the potential difference across its terminals.
False.
It's false. Methodist SHTS, the potential difference across a lead acid battery is independent of the current drawn from the battery.
False.
It's false. SUHUM PRESBY, hormones are small soluble inorganic molecules.
False.
Yes, it's false. ABOMUSU stem, hormones have their target sites different from where they are produced.
True.
Yes, that's correct. Methodist SHTS, hormones are effective at high concentrations.
False.
Yes, it's false. The last set of statements for round 4. SUHUM PRESBY, 3-pentanol is a secondary alcohol.
False.
It's a true statement. ABOMUSU stem, 2-methyl-1-propanol is a primary alcohol.
True.
Yes, it's true. Methodist SHTS, 2-methyl-2-propanol is a tertiary alcohol.
True.
True, and that ends round 4. end of round 4, Methodist Senior High Technical School, BEREKUM, 16 points. ABOMOSU STEM Senior High School, 32 points. And PRESBY Senior High School, SUHUM, 36 points. We move to round 5, the last round, which is the riddles round. In this round, I'll be reading clues to one particular thing. You can stop me at any time. Ring your bell and I'll call you to answer. If you give a correct answer whilst I am on the first clue, 5 points. Second clue, 4 points. Any other number of clues thereafter, 3 points. If you are unsuccessful though, you have to sit out for that particular riddle. Join us when we move to the next riddle. Let me remind you, at stake in this round is the Goal Riddle Bonanza. If you solve 3 of the riddles correctly, 800 cedis. If you solve all 4 riddles correctly, 1,200 cedis to the team. Okay? Are you ready to win some money? Right? The Goal Riddle Bonanza is proudly sponsored by Goal Good Energy. I don't feel the energy in the room. Let's give them some good energy. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Motivate them to win money. Yes. All right. Riddle number 1. I am a solid substance. I form when certain solutions react chemically. My formation often signals that the reaction has occurred. I can settle at the bottom of a container. ABOMUSU stem.
Precipitate.
Yes. 3 points. Riddle number 2. I am a biological term with uncertain origin. I have been applied to a few different processes in the past before finally being applied to human population limits in the 1950s. I remain a cornerstone concept in ecology, population biology, and resource management. My current estimation and applications are crucial for informed decision-making across diverse fields. I am the maximum population. PRESBY Senior High SUHUM.
Carrying capacity.
Yes. 3 points. All right. Next. Oh no. Number 3. I am a particle. I interact both gravitationally and electrically. I am stable in the free state, but can decay when bound in a nucleus. I account for nearly half. PRESBY Senior High SUHUM.
Neutron.
Incorrect. ABOMOSU stem.
Proton.
Proton is correct. 3 points. Yes, I know. And this time I didn't say Proton College. All right. The last riddle. Are we ready? Bonanza or no bonanza? I am a quadrilateral. My diagonals are perpendicular. My diagonals bisect each other. Methodist SHTS.
Square.
Square is correct. 3 points. 3 points. And that ends round 5. can imagine the nerves. Like all of us when Ghana was playing the last match. Yes. But we've come to the end of the contest. At the end of the contest, Methodist Senior High Technical School, BEREKUM, had 19 points. ABOMUSU STEM Senior High School, 38 points. PRESBY Senior High School, SUHUM, 39 points. Yes. That was very, very close. Very, very close. Oh, nobody will cry. No one will cry. No one will cry. That is an impressive performance. PRESBY Senior High School, SUHUM, congratulations for winning the contest and qualifying to the 1-8 stage. We'll be looking forward to seeing you there. Your score is not the highest for today. You would have won 1,000 Ghana cedis from PEP students for the highest scorer award for this auditorium. ABOMOSU STEM Senior High School, you give them a fight. That's very good. Hopefully next year you come and fight better. I wish you all the best. Methodist Senior High School, thank you for being with us. You saved them. Thank you for saving them. Hopefully we'll see you next year and you will qualify and not save people. Okay? Viewers, thank you for joining us. Do join us when we bring you the next contest, which will also be exciting. The National Science and Math Quiz is proudly sponsored by the Ghana Education Service in partnership with Girl PLC and supported by Momo from MTN. Joy News, PEP Students, Prudential Life Insurance, Jupe Money Transfer, Truster AI, Adansi Travels, Rowan Air, Kivo Gari, Spin City Laundry Mats, Coronation Insurance, Secure Sanitary Pad, Accra College of Medicine, Academic City University College, Bell Beverages, Flora Tissues, Imago from Hashcom, GTP, and YFM. I am Dr. Anita Opon, your quiz mistress. This is a prime time production. Thank you.
Good energy brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP. Ufilia. Huh? Ubefi. Goil. Good energy. Yeah, yeah.
She's coming. She's coming.
Oh, it's in.
Brother, receive so.
Boss, let's go back.
Here, take this.
She's coming.
I know. Go to the pharmacy now.
She's coming. Oh. She's here.
Pay faster, pay safer, and pay easy with Momo app. Download now and pay with the QR code, merchant ID, and so much more.
Let me see.
She's never had a toothache before.
There might be a cavity. Don't you use Pepsodent?
We used to, but I'll try the new one.
Ah, that's why.
But doesn't every toothpaste give cavity protection?
Not really. Pepsodent's Cavity Fighter repairs tiny invisible holes to give 10 times stronger teeth. Will you trust Pepsodent?
Definitely.
Pepsodent, 10 times stronger stronger teeth.
Use Pepsodent Cavity Fighter.
You know the now. You are living the now. You feel secure in the now. But what about tomorrow?
Grandpa, chase me.
What happens when you can no longer do the things you love? What happens to your loved ones when you are no longer here? Get Mikakrawa from Prudential Life now and protect your future and that of your loved ones. With as little as 3 Ghana cedis, Mikakrawa covers you in case of death, total and permanent disability, or critical illness.
Saga, Abraboy, Uncle Tabu, a dead and Danny, the plan of Dutch, 45 city, intimate dying. No sweet Miss ever born Dutch. 5 weeks this year, Nadal, star 778 ash. Oh, I'm telling you this year. Come with this year. That is this year. Make up
Increasing over its domain, or it is decreasing over its domain. Selling true. You're right. With the same preamble.
Hey, Charity School is brilliant. Hey, my son will attend this school at all cost. Hey, let me call Adwa. What? I shock safe. Listen. Our son will attend the school at all costs.
Send money home.
Listen, I'm sending some more money for him, okay? Right. Oh, right now. Make sure you is here. Yeah, okay, right.
Fast and easy. Show me your pain.
My boy.
Help you make the most of your money. Needs and fires you pay. Show me your pain.
Jupe Money Transfer. Send money home to family and loved ones from the US and Canada. Download the Jupe app, send money with your school code, and your school gets $20 on your first transaction for any school project of their choice. For your school code and for more information, visit www.jupe.co. Download the app to join the Jupe train. Jupe Money Transfer. Meet a need. Send via Jupe.
We are pleased to introduce you to our 3D Science application. 3D Science is an innovative science application designed to revolutionize the teaching of STEM, particularly biology, physics, and chemistry in the classroom. The application works offline, requires no internet after initial download, and is very affordable. We encourage school from basic level to tertiary and parents to engage us on how to benefit from the 3D Science application. The application is suitable for GES syllabus, Cambridge, and the American Common Core. For more info, contact Knowledge Resort on call or WhatsApp.
From Ghana to the rest of the world, taking you to many exciting destinations around the world. Our trained experts perfect every journey. We search for what's special. We find out what truly matters. We take your experience to another level and make you feel special. Fresh starts, new destinations, carefully selected hotels, and hand-picked attractions. We have touched millions of lives with our world-class service and warm African hospitality when others see restrictions.